Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2023 Kia Seltos EX Premium all-wheel drive. This is such a great find. They did not make a lot of the premium EX models, so we're going to show you all of those great features. Now this has only 33,000 kilometers, no accident history, and is a fantastic used car. We're going to show you all the features right now, starting off with what is underneath the hood. So the Seltos features a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's connected to a CVT automatic transmission, and as I mentioned, it is also all-wheel drive. Now, you can see from the side profile, this is a subcompact SUV. However, it's not subcompact in size. When you see the interior, the back, you're going to see there's so much room. So it really is just kind of a funny oxymoron. It's just a subcompact category. Now, the EX Premium gives you these upgraded 17-inch alloy wheels. These look fantastic. The all-wheel drive badge in the fender, and then we have LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. Now, up top, you'll see the roof rails up top there, so if you want to put crossbars, you can certainly do that and then load up the roof with whatever else you might like. Sliding around to the back, now taking a look, we got the integrated rear spoiler up top, great looking taillights, and then my favorite piece is this reflector. I don't know why, but I think it just finishes off the back end really nicely. I also love the fact that it's got this nice aluminum trim across the back of the tailgate here. Just looks really nice and sharp. Now, popping open the trunk, look at all the room we have back here. We've got a full-size suitcase that fits in there with plenty of room to spare. You can see that. We've also got the privacy cover left in from the previous owners. That can come out if you like, but it's a nice little accessory to have. All right, now let's continue. We're going to go around the passenger side so you can see all 4 corners, so you can get that great look at this right from the comfort of your own home. And then come visit us here and take it out for a drive. You're going to love it. Now, let me get out of the way of this car real quick. Okay, now we're going to head up to the front where you can see that the EX Premium gives you these LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and the LED fog lights down below. And then take a look at this nice front grille. Those lights even continue in through the grille, which is kind of cool. Nice Kia logo. And then this aluminum here, one of my favorite pieces. Take a look at it when you come and check it out. Now, in the back seat, here we get to take our look at our Safino leather interior. Really great choice for the leather. It's got this nice, cool little pattern in it as well. Perforated, as you can see. And then we've got a big center armrest that folds down. Love the piano black trim on the door panels. You can see that. And then check out the same kind of similar pattern on the speaker cover. Kind of neat, right? We've got a USB port in the back, rear ventilation. All of that is here. And then my favorite thing, the EX Premium even gives you heated rear seats. So the seats closest to the door are heated seats for the winter time. Everybody in the back, nice and comfortable. Now up front, big power sunroof up top. You can see the great leather seats again. This is a non-smoker vehicle. Smells fantastic inside. We've got the power driver's seat as well, which is a nice upgrade on the EX Premium model. Now let's hop in here. We'll take a look at the interior. So one thing you don't sacrifice getting a Seltos is safety features. This is well equipped. Forward emergency braking, forward collision warning. We have blind spot warning in the side view mirrors. We have adaptive cruise control as well, lane keeping assist, automatic headlights, a fantastic rear view camera system. It's all here to keep you and everybody inside nice and safe. Now, looking at the steering wheel, this is a heated leather wrapped steering wheel. We got our radio controls, Bluetooth controls, and the adaptive cruise controls all on the wheel. We also have the button for the menu for the dashboard right here. Look at the kilometers, 33,000, if I can get the focus, there we go, 33,609 kilometers. Great kilometers for a 2023. Now, this is the upgraded infotainment system. This is the 10.25-inch display. So a little bit bigger display here, nice color screen. You can see the screen protector is still on from the previous owner. I'll let you have the fun of peeling that off, but that just goes to show you that they were really trying to keep this nice and great on the inside. Now, this is XM satellite radio, the first Seltos that has XM, the first trim, I should say. So if you need your digital music, great way. Now, hitting the home button here, we do have onboard navigation. So if you don't want to use the Apple CarPlay Android Auto, we have that. We also have the sound mood light, so all the interior LED They all change to kind of whatever you want to put them to, which is really nice. Now, another nice feature that I really enjoy is the Kia Connect. It's the app you download on your phone, and then it connects you and your car, and you can do a whole lot of cool things with that. It is a subscription service. Definitely recommend trying that out. I think it's nice. User modes. This is the first Seltos trim with the user mode. So you can set up your own user if there's multiple drivers, and then all your settings are saved. So you hop in, select you, and you're right back to where you were when you got out the last time, which is really nice. Now, putting in reverse, here's our rear view camera system. Nice and clear, makes backing up nice and simple. We have climate control in the Seltos. We also have a wireless charging pad. As soon as I can get the camera to brighten up there. There we go. Wireless charging pad down below. USB ports all over the place too. Now, this drive mode here is what allows you to change it from normal to smart to sport. So you can kind of choose your own adventure, get the best fuel economy, or have a fun drive. Here we have the heated and ventilated front seats, the heated steering wheel, and the all-wheel drive lock, and then our heated and ventilated seats for the passenger side. Electronic parking brake with auto hold. I love the auto hold feature. And then on the key fob here, we have the remote start. So you got the remote start, which is hooked up to the push button start as well. So you can get the interior all nice and warm or cooled off, depending on whatever crazy climate we seem to be having in Ontario lately. But that's a nice convenience feature as well. Now, here is our Carfax. No accidents reported. That's exactly what you want to see when you're looking for a pre-owned vehicle. And then here's what we're doing to recondition the Seltos. Machining the front rotors, machining the rear rotors, a front and rear brake service, so we clean them, take them apart, put them back together, engine air filter, a cabin air filter, new front wipers, a fresh oil change, and that's it. Yeah, so we're doing a lot of brake work, engine air filters, oil change, everything, so it is ready to go. So if you are looking for a great pre-owned Seltos, one above the EX model, a little bit different from the rest, some more convenience features, more luxury features, this Seltos should be at the top of your list. Please come and see us here at Clarington Kia. Call ahead to avoid disappointment, or quickly come by and jump behind the wheel of this great Kia Seltos.